How to use social media to grow your business, that's what we are talking about in this video. Now if you are new to this channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button, because then you'll be notified about new videos. Let's dive into the steps. Here are a few steps you can take to use social media to grow your business. Tip number 1 is to increase leads. More than 65% of small businesses are on social media to get more leads in their business. But the biggest advantage of using social media isn't just the leads. It's the ability to generate highly qualified leads and reach the right people through targeting. So, how can you use social media to improve the quality of leads for your small business? A great place to start is by promoting useful content on social media. For this, you need content that's compatible with the interests of your followers. You can do this by following these steps. Designing graphics that are on brand and visually appealing. Writing for your reader and social media audience. Including a call to action that creates a sense of urgency. Tip number 2 is to improve search engine ranking in Google and other search engines. There's a lot of debate around this topic, but social media can and will improve your search engine ranking in Google. Let me explain how this happens. The domain authority of your website increases when you get more shares and engagement on your social media content. This leads to an improved search engine ranking of your pages. But it's more than just that. Many consumers visit your social media profiles before heading to your website to get a better understanding of your brand before they make a purchase. When you get more visits to your social media profiles, you will boost your social media page ranking and improve their chances of appearing among the top-ranked pages. You can use free tools like Pro Rank Tracker or TinyRocket to keep track of your ranking. Tip number 3 is to drive traffic to an external website. Generally, small businesses use social media with the goal to increase traffic to a website. If you don't have a strong presence on social media sites like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and Pinterest, you may be losing out on organically generated traffic. This means that your traffic is generated from the same limited number of people currently following you on social media. You need to expand your brand reach if you want to drive more traffic. Here are a few things you can do to generate more traffic. First, create a profile for your small business on each relevant social media platform. Then, use these platforms by sharing customized content with each of them. An effective social media presence will encourage your followers to go through your lead funnel and eventually reach your product landing pages. The next thing you can do is make it effortless for audiences to share your content with social sharing buttons prominently displayed on your website. Additionally, you can add a click-to-tweet feature on an interesting statistic, quote, or other information to make it more shareable. Now it's just a click away for readers to share your content. Okay, so there are a few tips to help you use social media to grow your business. Now I want to hear from you. Which strategy from this video are you going to try first? Let me know by leaving a comment below right now. Now if you need help growing your business, or starting your digital business, I recommend you check out the Internet Business School. Make sure you go and click the link in the description box below right now, it takes you through to their website. They have online training courses that teach you everything you need to do to start your own business. From beginner to an online expert, whatever your level, there is an online training course that will suit you, so make sure you check them out. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and give the video a like, because that motivates me to create more content for you. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.